Hi, this is Bryan. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. Today we're working on an F30 with a base front bumper. We're going to show you how to remove and reinstall a front bumper and install an aftermarket front lip that does not have pre-drilled holes. To remove the bumper, begin by working at the wheel well where you will find 5 8mm bolts. This step is easiest if you cut your wheel in before unscrewing the bolts. To access the 5th bolt, peel back the wheel well liner. Once you've unscrewed these 5 bolts, gently remove your fog light so that it's not damaged when removing the bumper. Repeat this on the other side as well. Once complete, unclip the top of the bumper closest to the tire on each side. Next, remove the 6 plastic fasteners and the 8 8mm bolts across the bottom of the bumper. The last step before we can remove the bumper is to remove the weather stripping simply by pulling up the 2 T25 screws on either end and the 6 T30 bolts in the middle. Once you've completed the prior steps, double check for any other connections such as fog lights, then gently slide off the bumper. Once your front bumper has been removed, prep both the front lip and the bumper with rubbing alcohol to ensure proper adhesion. Next, do a test fit to make sure everything lines up right. If there's a fitment issue, it's better to find out sooner rather than later. As I mentioned earlier, this lip didn't come with pre-drilled holes. What we're going to do here is, with the lip on and a cardboard box underneath, use the existing holes as a template and drill pilot holes into the lip. Now that we've made sure everything's going to fit correctly, go ahead and apply your 3M double-sided molding tape. Here's a picture of what we used. We used 5 feet of tape per side. Once you've finished applying the tape, go ahead and remove the backing from only one side. We're going to install one side and then the other to make sure everything fits correctly. Go ahead and lower your bumper onto the lip. I like to apply the rear first and then the front. Repeat the process on the other side. Once you're finished this process, go ahead and use some self-tapping screws to secure the lip to the bumper. I used about 24 of these screws to give you an example. Reinstall the bumper in the reverse order that it was removed. And that's everything. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye-bye.